Savage. Monday.
This is the puppy update. They just got dropped Thursday. The ones I'm about to show y'all is all females. We're going to do the females first. 5 females, full males. We're going to show the females first. This is one of them. This is another one, y'all. It's a female as well. Let us know what y'all think. If y'all got your eyeballs on one, please let us know. Because these will fly off the shelves. This is another female. These are 2 females with the white faces. Please be a little bit more descriptive because as you can see, most of them look alike. Get back over here, you boy. Oh, God damn. These are the last 2 females. Let me hold them right. They squirming. These are the last 2 females. These things hefty, y'all. They some fat things. Those are our 5 females. These are the 4 boys we got. These are 2 males. 2 males right here. This is Runts. He's the smallest one out of everybody, but definitely don't fall asleep on my man Runts right here. He's nice. All gray. Or blue. That's the right terminology. All blue. This is the last boy. If y'all see a collar, that means they might be spoken for already. So do not ask about the dogs with the collars. Do not ask. Everything else, free will. First come, first serve. This is the boy as well. Zoom in on all of them. These are puppy updates. If y'all have any questions, please let us know. They will fly off the shelves. So be very quick and precise in the ones you want.
And deposits open next Thursday.
Deposits open next Thursday.
And we'll put the phone number in this video.
And the phone number will be provided in this video for y'all.
So y'all can, hit me up now. Y'all, got an idea what y'all want to get.
5 boys, 5 girls, 4 boys. 9 puppies in total, guys. They will go quick.
Savage.
To give y'all a walkthrough on the new setup. Y'all gonna see the before and after. So we really tried our best to remodel and we still got way more to do. Come on, y'all. As you can see, we did the new tile on the floor. We put a laminate tile, something for now. It will get upgraded. We have new kennels for the dogs. I feel like they should have way more space than what they had. They deserve it. So we got 8 of these for now. Whole time we started redoing the walls and putting the ceiling up. So now we just gotta mount our heaters and AC and other places and rewire. And that'll be about it when it comes to the remodeling of what we did. So just stay tuned, watch this drip. And plus, don't forget, we got Lucy and Simba. Puppies are here. They're 4 days old now. So we opening lock-ins at 2 weeks. Just to let y'all know. And they heads already for them to be so small. I don't know how she pushed them out, but she did it.
Uh-huh. Before we get into this, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, man. And today, we're gonna introduce the new puppies we just had. They're like 4 days old, 3 days old. Then I'm gonna drop my number because next week Thursday, we're gonna be taking deposits. So if y'all like what y'all see, you know, you can hit me up, let me know you're interested in buying it. And then, you know, I'll follow up with you next Thursday when deposit open. But right now, as you can see, we got a whole new setup here. Y'all never really got to see inside of here.
1, 2,
So not here.
4 on each side, y'all.
So
3.
getting bread, but she's not here today.
That's Simba. It's a nice. Y'all see the floor? We got a flooring specialist. Give it up to your boy. He a flooring specialist.
Also, look. Look at him. He got caught.
Rambo.
Rambo, what you doing? Hey.
We try to be nice, y'all, and put the little things in it, but they just
Rambo.
try and rip it up.
They trying to rip the carpet up. Also,
This soul over here.
come back here. Right here, man. We got a free puppy giveaway, man. We're feeling generous. Right there. Pit bull. Right here. Free giveaway. Oh, what's going on there? Might gotta skip a few.
Yep.
Yeah. But yeah, free giveaway right here. Catch you on the next scene, man.